Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I got a brand new product. Well, it's not really new, but it's new for me. This is the Easy Marble by Marabu, and I ordered it from Joggles because I recently used a lot of their sprays, art sprays and crayons, and I saw these ones online and I thought, I wonder how those works. They look really amazing. I don't know if you recently recall how I did a couple months ago. I did a few videos on marbling. One of them was using nail polish, and these are the ones that we made, these backgrounds that I made. And I will link that video below. I mean, you can click it above in the description area or at the end of the video. And I created it using nail polish. But when I saw this, I really love the effect of marbling. So when I saw this, I was really excited to see how it works. And I've seen a few friends use it online. So I'm really excited to try it out. I've never worked with this before. This is another marbling effect that I did. This was done with Sharpie markers on Yapo paper. So I don't know, I'm just really excited to try this and see how it works. It's an experiment for me as well, so let's hope everything goes well. I got only 4 colors. I got the amethyst color, I got the light green color, and I got the aquamarine, which is obviously one of my favorite colors. And I actually got this, it's not a color, it's called clear. Don't know why I thought I was getting white, but I think it's crystal clear, transparent. So we'll see what effect it gives as well. So the first thing you need some kind of tub or bucket or something with water. I'm using a plastic Tupperware, and I filled it up with water, just slowly moving it closer here. And you also need things to marble. So I'm going to test it with different things and see what happens. I'm not prepping anything. It is just basically figuring it out how it works. And I'm using gloves just because I don't know. I saw everybody using gloves, so I might as well use gloves as well. So I'm more or less going to follow what I think I'm supposed to be doing. I saw a couple of videos, but most of it is just me experimenting. So I think you have to work fast with this because it does dry up, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So that one smells like strawberries. Let's start just with the colors first. I won't put the clear one yet. There we go. Maybe I should leave these open so I don't have to. I'm gonna redo this and put a little bit more of the green inside. Good. And a little bit of the blue also. So I'm doing like doubles. Oh, okay, that's good. And then I am going to use the stick to create little designs in it and marble it around. Oops, this is not good. Hold on. Carefully not to lift it up, to just create the marbles without having to. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try is actually glass. And I got this like bottle, and I'm literally going to dip it in. Let's see how it goes. It's a bottle, and I'm thinking, oh cool, I like this. Okay, let me show you. How cool is that? Because it's see-through. Look at that, it marbled it beautifully. I love it. So you see, so you can get that see-through effect marble. Let me just finish it up and pick it all up. Might as well. Okay, so beautiful result with the glass. It looks like you put like almost like decoupage did. So I really like that. Awesome. I think I want to add a little bit more of the blue because, yeah, I don't like it when it's too, how do you call this? When it's too green purplish. Okay, let me clean it up. I see that you're supposed to kind of clean it up. I'm going to kind of clean it up with this old paper. It doesn't really matter. These are just samples. Okay, so I'm going to start with the blue this time because I really want to create like blue color. I mean, the color will look better. Okay, and then I'm going to add some purple. And then some blue again. Let's try the clear. Let's see what happens with the clear. I think it just makes it clear. That's all it does. Okay, let's put some purple again. Awesome. And then let's do some blue. And now just marbling it up. Oh, so cool. And let's see, what should I do now? Okay, so I picked this wooden thing. This is a wooden hand, and I'm actually going to put it straight on. Let's see what happens. Gorgeous is that. I love that. Imagine if I actually painted it in white. That looks stunning. Wow. Oh, and you even got marbled my finger. There you go. I wonder if you do a double. I will just try. I can always fix this later because you still have so much left over. Oh, I doubled up the marbling beautifully. Love it. Let's do this side so you can dip it again and continue marbling with what you have left over. I love it. So next time, now I know I can just like, I can go ahead and I can go ahead and paint it in white. I think it would look better. So having said that, I want to try it on paper because you know me, I always want to try things. I'm going to first try it on Yapo paper. This is the Tim Holtz Yapo paper. Let's try it on regular Yapo paper. I'm going to put this on the side. First, I'm going to add this one. Let's do green this time, just because. Awesome. We can do green and blue. Now I want to get more colors of this. Well, let's put purple as well. We might as well. Let's go to blue again. And then green. Okay, that's good. Oh, maybe the purple again one last time. Okay, there we go. And now, again, marbling it, although I love it the way it is. I wonder if I actually really like the way it is. Let's just see how it looks without marbling it. I can try both. So I'm going to stick this on here and lift it up. Wow, look at it on the Yapo paper. This is an amazing background, or what? Or what is true? This is gorgeous. Wow, can you imagine for a card background? I'm really, really loving this. Okay, so perfect. Yay. It works on Yapo paper perfectly, obviously, because it's like a plasticky paper. And let's see, I'm going to add a little bit more, and let's try on regular paper. Oh, this is different. Look what's happening here. Woo, I like that because I didn't clean this one. It's marbling on its own. Let's add some of the clear. And purple. So what's happening is that it's reacting differently because I didn't clean it. I'm going to definitely clean it up after. It's not fair what I'm doing, that I'm just, yeah, it's kind of marbling on its own. It's okay. There we go. So that's really cool. So let's try a regular paper. I'm taking a Tim Holtz one. This is a heavy stock distress mixed media, this one. Okay, so I'm going to stick this on. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful results. Look how beautiful the marbling. So much better than nail polish. It kind of smells like nail polish, so I know it probably has those on. Really, really cool. Oh, I love this background. Okay, so I can definitely use this for some kind of card. How beautiful is that? Let me remove this excess. My gloves are getting sticky. I am just going to kind of clean it up with the back of the card. Don't really need to, but I want to create one more, and I had another idea. So how cool is that? I am loving this marbling. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put this one to dry as well. And now that it's a little bit cleaner, I can start adding colors again. So I'm going to start with the purple, then the blue, then the green, clear. The clear will give me like the background color, whatever is there. So there we go. And what I want to show is like I'm trying to figure out if I can put this on something else. Let's see. Since it works on paper, I was thinking, well, what if I did like an art journal page background? So I'm really excited, but let me first like marble this up. I really wanted marble this time. So you just have to like mix up the marble. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to take an art journal page. This is from my Joggles disc bound journal. And I am going to dip it in. I'm really excited about this. Wow. Oh no, hold on. It didn't take 1 second. I think I maybe waited too long. Oh, I mixed it too much. Oh no, there it is. Okay. Not as good as the paper before. I want to try again. This is really pretty, but it's not what I was looking for. Let's try again. So, you know, sometimes, as I say, things fail, and that's okay. It's probably because I took off too much of it with the stick, because I can see a lot of it stays on my stick, and I just wiped it off. I wonder if I can just like wipe it off with a wipe. There we go. Okay. So let's try again one more time. I am going to add, I'm not going to marble it as much. You have to work really fast, because what happens is that everything kind of dries in the surface. So it's working really fast with these. Okay. Okay, now I'll quickly marble them. You have to be like careful when you're marbling, that's all. All right, good. Now there's a not more there. I'm gonna take maybe a bigger page, like one of those 6x9 of the Joggle journals. Quick, quick, quick. And let's see what happens. Oh, now it's beautiful. Okay, hold on. Look how beautiful that is. I want some in the center. You can go back and forth and continue doing this. You know what I mean? You don't have to like stop. And you can do double layers. Look how pretty that is. I am so excited. So I could really just, I mean, this journal looks amazing on its own. So I don't really need to do anything to it. Just want to maybe do one more of the journals, just because I love doing double pages. So this one, the other one will be a single page, but this one I want to kind of create a little bit more for it. So quickly I'm going to just create that. I just love it. The more you add, obviously the bigger the circle will be. And maybe one more time I want to add a little bit of this more. Okay, excellent. And maybe I'll just do like peaks. So you can just like pretend to do these marble effect. Okay, I'm going to grab another paper, And I will definitely do an art journal page with this after, so that's why I wanted to have this done. Okay. Just grab the edges. Look how beautiful they are. Now I want to grab the center a little bit. Beautiful. Let me just drag it from this direction. And look how beautiful that is. That is such a cool this like layout basically. I love it. So I'm just loving this. So amazing. So I'm really, really excited. I'm sure you can marble basically everything. I saw my friend Kat Kerr. She marbled like a phone case. How cool would that be to have a phone case that is all marbled up? So thank you so much for joining me today. So this is the art journal that I'm going to be creating. I have another one over there that looks really cool as well. So I'm really, really excited. Stay tuned for those as well. I just can't wait. I need to let these dry in order to create anything with them. But I just really am happy that I bought these marbling effect paints. So thank you so much for joining me and have an amazing day. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Look at these beautiful thumbs. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social media. For more inspiration, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.